How you doing today? This is Kyle Jackal right now, taking it in from Jacksonville, Florida. Feeling pretty good out here today. Hope y'all went to church today. If y'all couldn't make it to church, hope y'all watched online some type of way. Hope y'all just know, man, as long as you keep on trusting the process, anything is possible. I hope today for y'all is a remarkable day because, you know, tomorrow is Struggle Monday, as I call it, because it's time out for the weekend, time for the weekday to start, man. And I want to give special shout out to all of y'all. Thank y'all for watching my videos, trusting the process, and just knowing, man, I have something remarkable to give, and I promise I'm going to keep on doing it. Today marks, I think, close to 500 some videos. Every time I shoot a video, it's like a child to me because I put my heart and soul into it. I love doing it. I love motivating everybody. I love just seeing people grow. I know the more I grow, the more, if I keep on putting these videos out, a lot of people will grow along as I grow. And I just want to say thank y'all once again. And shouts out to my little kiddos, my little boo-boos, my babies. Daddy will be home next week. So I got something very special for them coming up. But today's video, I like this video. Like, I love all my videos, but this one right here is something to me right now. I just want you to know this right here. You can be broken, no matter what it is in life. With a career, with jobs, with everything, you can be broken. Everybody gets broken once upon a time. Everybody does. Everybody go through struggles, the pain, everything. But what I see is how well you pick up the pieces and rebuild yourself. See, just because you're broken, it don't mean your life is over. It means that you have to start to rebuild. I feel like sometimes us as people, we don't want to rebuild. Sometimes you want to stick to doing the same thing we're doing. But if it's not working for you, you got to rebuild your journey. Everybody gets a journey in life to do what they got to do in life. It's your choice to go this way or go that way. If you go the wrong way, it doesn't mean your life is over. What it means is that you're going to eventually get back on the right path. Think about this. It's like a road being created. That's if a road's never right there and it's getting created. Guess what? Nobody can travel on that road. It's not created. Trucks can't travel on that, cars can't. You can't ride your motorcycle. You can't walk down that road. You can't do none of that. But as soon as the road starts to get formed, everything opens up, and that's when you have highways and streets and everything like that. This right here might be your life. It might be you're planning to build something, but right now it's not building. So what it's doing to you right now is irritating you right now where you feel like giving up. It's not what you need to do. You got to put your thoughts and plans together and watch it grow. Everything that I look at in life is not like a microwave. You can't just put it in the microwave and just, bow, it's done. That's not how life goes. You have to go through the struggle. You have to go through the storm. You have to go through the pain. You got to go through everything you got to go through because you got to have a testimony. See, everything I speak on these videos is testimonies of my life. Stuff that I've been through, stuff that I witnessed, stuff that I see. People that I know that went through certain stuff that I know about. We all talk about everything, but we have to grow. And like I said, sometimes we do fall. And sometimes we do get broken. And sometimes when we get broken, it's really bad. But guess what? God gave you a life. And God had never once tell you everything was going to be a yellow brick road or a golden brick road. He never did tell you that. So whatever struggles or everything you're dealing with as this week comes, just remember this right here. As long as you trust the process, say your prayers, and pray for others, and always reach somebody and teach them what you know, make sure you follow the right person to learn from. As long as you do that, anything is possible. And this was just on my mind today, really just because I see a lot of stuff from friends, family, and on Facebook, and I see a lot of people that's broken. And I see people that's broken, they want to give up now. Your journey is just starting. You can't give up now. If you give up now, how you going to witness what's about to get ready to happen? Like I said, anybody can be broken, but it's how you put the pieces back together. No matter what it is. You got to put the pieces back together to rebuild. When you rebuild, you get greater, you get better results. But you can ask anybody you want to. You can ask a millionaire, you speak to somebody. Have they ever got broken? Even the people that you think never got broken before. What makes you any different? But like I tell you all the time, I don't have all the answers. I just know how I live my life and what I do. And what I do in my life is positive, peaceful. I don't deal with negativity. And guess what? Whenever I do come to a point in time when I do get broken, I know how to rebuild. I start from the bottom, work my way up again. That's how life is. But I hope y'all love this video. You know, I don't make them that long, which I'm going to start making them longer. But I do these little videos because I know during the day, people have to go to work, people have to go to school, people have to do a lot of stuff. So I try to make these videos kind of short and get straight to the point. Because y'all know with me, I don't sugarcoat anything. I don't hide nothing. I tell you exactly what it is. So, man, I love y'all. And y'all already know, trust the process. You already know what it's time for. God, thank you for everybody watching this video. Thank you for everybody that didn't watch this video, God. Thank you for just us just coming together as one and just learning. As long as we trust in you, God, anything is possible, God. Anybody that's going through any struggles, any pains, any sickness, God, I just want to pray for them and just let them know, God, everything will be okay. The only thing they have to do is just keep on trusting and believing in you. Everything will be okay, God. Thank you for every message that you give me to put out to the world and for me to get ready to do something very, very big by speaking your name, God. Thank you for everything you do, God. Keep everybody protected as this weekday comes along. And God, just thank you, thank you, thank you for everything. Amen. Hope y'all love this video. I love y'all a lot. Y'all have a blessed day. You ready for this week? And remember, no matter what comes against you right now, keep on moving forward, keep on trusting in God, and just keep on knowing God has you, God has me, God has us all. You have a blessed day. Remember, reach one, teach one, trust the process, believe in yourself, keep a smile on your face. And if anybody trying to turn your smile into a frown, walk away and pray for them.